Hi, this is VST Lighting. Let me introduce how to pair TS15 wireless switch with smart LED driver. First, connect the light, LED driver, and power supply properly to make sure the lighting system is working. Then, turn off the power supply. Second, use a slotted screwdriver to open the cover of the switch. Take off the battery isolator in TS15. Then, use the pin needle to push the switch to on position. Turn on the power supply and touch the corresponding switch you want to control. When the light flashes 3 times, it means pairing success. Then, use the pin needle to push the switch to off position. Now, the TS15 touchpad is able to work. Introduce how to unpair the switch with the smart LED driver. The smart switch is controlling the light. Use the pin needle to push the switch to on position. Turn off the power supply. Long press the light 1 bottom or corresponding bottom. Then turn on the power supply. Unpairing success when the light flashes 6 times. Thank you for your watching.